Hello everyone, this is Zahid here and I welcome you to this training video. The purpose of the training video is to train you on how to use the all-in-one SEO plugin for WordPress. So basically in this entire video I'll guide you through how to set up all-in-one SEO plugin. After watching this video you'll be able to play with all-in-one SEO plugin and configure this plugin, that is the all-in-one SEO plugin, to all your blogs. Now if you can see, this is a test domain. Basically I installed just WordPress and a basic theme onto this domain, my domain, and here you can see the dashboard of WordPress. WordPress is installed on this domain and this is the dashboard. As you can see this video, I assume that you already know how to install the all-in-one SEO plugin. In this case, all-in-one SEO plugin is already installed, and you see here a red bar, it says all-in-one SEO pack must be configured. So basically it means all-in-one SEO plugin is installed but not configured. So it is asking me to go to the admin page to configure this plugin. You can go to the admin page from here, either from here or from the settings. You can go from here. Anyway you go, it will take you to the same place. So I'm going to that page, the all-in-one SEO admin page. Well, this is the admin page of all-in-one SEO plugin. You see, let's start now. The first thing you have to do is you have to enable the plugin. Now currently the plugin is disabled, so you have to enable the plugin. Now it says you to input the home title, home description and home keywords. So now the question is, what is home title, home description and home keywords, or how you can see home title or home description? To give you an idea, let me search for something. Say for example I'm searching for AC and nuke. Okay, this is here. Now one thing keep in mind please, the configuration you are doing over here onto the admin page of all-in-one SEO, this is for the home page or the root domain only. You may ask, what is a root domain? The root domain is this, or the home page of root domain is this page, that is only the domain. So anything you put in here is applicable for the root domain, not the inner pages. But I'll show you how to configure the inner pages as well. So for the purpose of this video, let me input some home title here. Say for example is nuke service. Okay, this is the home title. Now the home description, for simplicity I'm just copying and pasting it again and again. This is my home description and this is my home keyword, AC nuke X service. Fine. Okay, I'll talk about the rest of the features a bit later, but for the time being let me save it. Update options. Okay, it says all-in-one SEO options updated. Being said, this means the titles, descriptions and keywords I put onto the admin page is applicable for this domain. So now this particular page has my title, which was AC nuke X service, as you can see here, and description AC nuke X service, AC nuke X service, AC nuke X service, and also the keyword is AC nuke X service. Okay, now in a blog we may have several posts or a few posts, whatever it is. With the help of all-in-one SEO plugin, we can configure the title, description and meta keyword for each and every posts, or even for pages we create. You know, in WordPress we may have two kind of posts. One is post by post and one is page by page. We can have several pages or several posts, or even both in a single site. So using all-in-one SEO plugin you can configure pages and also the posts. Now to show you how to configure this plugin for posts, let me create one post. I'm creating one post. Okay, let's add new one. To show you, I have just a few text over here. So say for example my current post name is what is AC nuke X, and in the body let me input some text. Just hold on, it's taking a bit time. Okay, I'm just making it a bit. Okay, say this is my post. If you see the bottom part of the post, see there is a component here for all-in-one SEO pack. Now say my title is, for this particular post I want my title, or my title is what is SENuke X, and description I want something similar, or anything you want, and the keyword is what is SENuke X. Now let me add a new category, say for example what is SENuke X, and I'm putting the text same, what is SENuke X. Now let me publish this. The post is publishing now. Okay, the post has been published already. Now let me refresh this. See, this is my last post. Okay, what is SENuke X? Now if I click on this post, see what happens. Just look at the title. The page is loading, it's taking some time, whatever. The title is here. What is SENuke X? Then a bar sign, SENuke X services. But if you look here on the post page, my title was, I wanted my title to be only what is SENuke X. But for this particular post, WordPress is showing, or the website is showing, what is SENuke X, line, a bar sign, SENuke X service. You may ask why I want only SENuke X, what is SENuke X, but not the bar sign and SENuke X service again. This is because some other option on all-in-one SEO plugin. Let me open that plugin again, the plugin admin page again. Okay, stick with me, it's taking some time. Okay, it's already loaded. See, you have written home title, home description and home keywords already. Now see here, post title format. This says what will be the title of each post, and here it says post title, that is this title, and up the blog title. So my blog title was SENuke X service. That's why after the post title it is also showing the blog title. But if you don't want the blog title to be here, what you have to do is you just delete this. Say I'm deleting this, control, okay, and where is it? Yes, update. Let me update. Okay, done. Now see, I'm refreshing the page and you will see now it's showing the post title only, but not the blog title. For SEO, basically it depends how do you configure your other settings. Depending on the settings, you may keep the blog, what it says, you may keep the blog title or may delete the blog title. It depends upon you. Basically it depends upon your choice. To me, I usually keep, sometimes I keep the blog title and sometimes I just not. So basically it depends upon you. Now you may ask from where this blog title comes in. Remember, blog title and home title is different. This is my home title but not my blog title. Blog title comes from some other place. If you want to see what your blog title is, you have to go to, from settings you have to go to the general one, that is you have to open general settings. And basically blog title is given when you first install your blog or when you first install your WordPress site. So see, from general settings, you can see that the site title SNUX service and tagline is best SNUX service. This tutorial is not by any way, we are not interested with the tagline. We are interested about the site title only. See here, the site title is SNUX service. So from here, from this position, all-in-one SEO pack is pulling the blog title. Basically, site title and blog title is same. Now, for the page title format, uh, page title format and post title format is pretty similar. If you post your articles as a post, then this will be executed. But if you post your articles as a page, as I already told, we may have several pages or several posts or both on a single WordPress installation or in a single WordPress blog. So now, if you post your articles as a page, this one will be executed. Similarly, if you don't want your blog title to show at the title bar, you can just delete that blog title part. But if you want to keep, you can keep it as it is. Now the next one is category title format. To show you this, you may know that each category has its own pages. I'm not sure if you know how, but let me show you. And before I show you, I have to post a few more posts within the blog with different categories and different tags, so that I can show you the rest of the options. Just stick with me. You may not hear from me for the next few minutes, as I'll be posting different posts on my blog. Just stick with me. What I'm doing now is I'm adding some other posts with different title and okay, now the title here, again the keywords here. Okay, what I'll be doing is I'll be opening up a new category, and also I'll be selecting the old category just so that it's easier for you to understand what it is in UX. I'm putting these two categories. The single post has these two categories. Now the tags, okay, add, we're good to go. Let's publish. Well, okay, I need one more post, just last post. How much is this in UX? Let me publish it. My title here is how much is this in UX. Okay, the same keyword here. I'm not gonna add any more category, but just what I'll be doing is I'll just post this post on our existing category, on an existing category. And for tags, say I opened up a new tag. Okay, I just put in a new tag, not the old one, and let's publish. All the settings are correct. Okay, correct. Alright, let me refresh my home page. Okay, now as you can see, we have 1, 2 and 3 posts, basically 4. Hello world, there is another post. So basically we have 4 posts here. Now to show you perfectly, I need to do another thing, that is I have to show the categories and tag cloud from widgets. For these I have to go to the widgets here. Yeah, you don't have to do all these when you implement the all-in-one SEO plugin. Just to help you or to show you, I'm doing all this. What I need is from here, I need okay, recent posts and the tag cloud. Where is it? Yeah, tag cloud. Okay. Oh. I forgot. I have to bring in the categories as well. Yeah, categories is here. Done. Let me refresh. Okay. Now see. I was supposed to show you the all-in-one SEO. Where is all-in-one SEO? Well, here I was supposed to show you what does this mean. Category title format, category title, block title. What does that mean? Okay, now see. These are my categories: uncategorized, what is SENUK, and what to do with SENUK. Let me open in new tabs these two categories. See the category title here. This means this category page means this page will be showing all the posts that goes under the same category. If you can remember, while I posted articles, I've selected categories. See, for this category I have what is SENUK. This is the category name. It says what is SENUK archive. That is the category name is what is SENUK. For this what is SENUK categories, I have two posts. Okay, so it is showing two posts under this category. Now what this mean, we were at where the category title format. See the category title format here. This is my category page for what is SENUK and what is the category here. What is SENUK and SENUK services. What is the settings here? Category title and block title. Can you remember what was the category? The category was what is SENUK and my block title was SENUK service. See, check here again. Category title format is category title, then a bar sign and the block title. My category title was what is SENUK, if you can remember the category I selected, and my block title or the site title is SENUK services. Can you see? So if you don't want to show the block title here, if you want to show only the category name, then all you have to do is just delete this portion and you will see only the category title. Okay, now archive title format. Archive means WordPress keeps everything in an archive format. If you show in archive format like which post was posted on what day, then the title of that page will be the date you posted the article, and the block title in between a bird sign. Now what is tag title format? Next one is tag title format. What is tag title format? If you can remember, within each post we have posted some tags. Well, here I have the tags. Let's go to one tag. Also some other tag. The pages are loading. Okay, now tag. These tag pages will be showing those posts that have similar tags. Say for example, for each post I have only one and unique tag. In that case it will show only one post. But see, in this post, oh, I have tags for individual tag for all pages. So basically each tag will be showing the posts, those posts that are of the similar tag, and the title of this title of this page will be in this format, the tag and the block title. If you see, the tag is how much is SENUK, and slash the site title or the block title. Also here the tag and the block title in between a bar sign. Well, alright then. So search title format is percentage search bar block title. This means if someone searches for a particular keyword, It may be your keyword within your the keyword may not be used in your site. A searcher may search with anything, so the title of that page will be the search word or the term he searched for. Basically, say for example I am searching SNUX cost, so the title of that page will be SNUX cost bar the blog title or the site title, that is SNUX service. Okay, the description format, you don't have to bother about the description format. We do not use these at all. Let it be as it is. 404 title format. This says if someone searches for something on your site and that content isn't available within the site, what will be the title of that page? It will show some error page, and so okay, the term you're searching for doesn't match with anything or blah blah blah. So, but this is a page, so it should have a title as well. So the title of that page will be nothing found for percentage request word percentage. That means the keyword he is searching for, the keyword with which he was searching for. Okay, so say for example if someone is searching for acne remedies on your site, certainly he will not get anything. He will get an error page saying nothing found. So basically what will be the title of the page will be nothing found for acne remedies. Instead of these, the search term is acne remedies, so the acne remedies keyword will come here, nothing found for acne remedies. Now the paged format. Page format is if you use any paginating software or something like that, say for example WP page navigation. This is a plugin for pagination purposes. This will be the title format of the pagination pagination posts. I prefer, or we used to keep it as it is. Basically pagination plugins are not used anymore. We do not use the pagination plugins for SEO purposes, as this gives a lot more hassle later. Okay, now Google Analytics ID. Google Analytics ID is if you want to track your Google Analytics with this site, you can put in your ID over here just to track the traffics and visitors, all these stuffs. But I prefer, or SEO experts prefer, not to put your analytics ID over here. What you have to do is you have to go to Analytics. It's better to use Analytics, open another new campaign and put in the hard code within the header. That is beyond the scope of this video tutorial, so just keep it as it is. Do not put anything over here. Now use categories for meta keywords. If you can see, in each post we have used some keywords, or we put in some keywords here. Okay, so what this says is, where is it? Yeah, what this says is use categories for meta keywords. It says if you tick this, it will be using your categories as meta keywords. Even though you do not put those keywords, then it will use the category as a meta keyword. But no need to do it now. Do not tick this, let it be as it is. Use tags for meta keywords. Yeah, we want the tags to be used as meta keywords. Basically when we will be putting in tags, we'll be we'll be using the keywords as tags. So you can keep the tick on or off, whatever you want, but let it be ticked, though we will be using our tags as meta keywords. Now the next thing is dynamically generate keywords for post pages. It says whether it will dynamically generate keyword for posts page or not. Yes, keep that on. It will what we'll be doing is it will go through your content and it will dynamically generate some keywords for your post. That is a good move. That's good. So let the tick be on. Now it says next one is use no index for categories. The tick here is unchecked, but I prefer, and you should tick this, use no index for the categories, because if you have seen in each category, where is it? Yeah, say this category, this is my category page, and this is my post page. No, this is tag. Where is the post? Okay, let me open a post. How much is SNUX? Just stick with me. Let me show you the difference. I'm sorry, just have had some water. Okay, now see, this is my post. If you can see how much is SNUX, this is my post. This was posted on Monday 26th March 26th, blah blah blah. The post is here, and this is a category page. How much is SEO X? What to do with SEO X? No. Okay, let me open another post. Sorry, I have to open up another post. Yeah, now we are here. This is a single post. What to do with SEO X? The content of this post goes here, and this is a category page. This what this category page doing is it is pulling on all the posts that matches this category. Basically, when we published our content, we selected categories. See, if we index this page, Google will see that you have duplicate content on your same site. See the post. What to do with SEO X? The post here. Also, in this category, what to do with SEO X? If you allow Google to index, Google will find two pages, one with the category name and one with the post name. Within the category name, along with other posts, you have this post as well. So what Google will see is Google will see that within the two pages he indexed, you have the same content, and you may get penalized for this. So what we have to do is, we don't want our category pages to be indexed. So just tick this, use no index for categories. Also, it's better to tick this one as well, use no index for archives. Also, for this, use no index for tag archives. All these three, use no index for categories, use no index for archives, use no index for tag archives. Basically, the SEO experts say contradictory things about these. Some experts says we should tick this on, that is, we don't want to index our categories, category pages, archive pages, and tag pages. And some others says you should have tick these, and tick all these, and let Google index the pages, since these are all from the same website, so there will be no problem. What I have seen is basically I get mixed results with these. Sometimes I have some blogs where I ticked all these, and with some blogs I didn't tick, and I get mixed results. So I cannot tell you exactly what you should do. I can summarize this way, that if your blog has very few pages that are indexed by Google, you tick this, so that Google will index more pages from your site. The more pages Google indexed on your site, you have more value. But you have several posts on your site, then just uncheck this. So you do not have to index the similar pages or similar content pages. You don't want to index the similar pages to Google. Okay, auto generate descriptions. This says whether it will auto generate a description for posts or not. In this case, we'll uncheck this. It's unchecked, and we'll keep it unchecked, because we don't want this plugin to auto generate descriptions, as we will be putting on the descriptions. Okay, now the next one is capitalize category titles. It is asking whether it will capitalize the category titles or not. Say yes or no, whatever. It has nothing to do with SEO. You can this is just a look and feel issue. You can say yes, capitalize my category titles. You can say no, do not capitalize my category titles. By default it's ticked, and we just keep it ticked. We do not change. Now the next thing is exclude pages. Additional okay, what is exclude pages? If you go to the posts, where is it, edit post, yeah. See, in each post, whenever you try to open a new post or try to publish a new page, you will see this. That is, you are putting in all-in-one SEO parameters to each post. But if you want any post not to show this, that is, you do not have any custom title or custom description for any post, then what you have to do is you have to insert the page names over here. So all-in-one SEO will not work for those pages. Okay, additional post headers, additional page headers, and additional home headers. If you want to put in additional headers for your posts or pages or home, and we do not use these at all, we want only one unique title, header or title for each post and page and home, so we just keep this blank. Finally, log import events. I'm not sure basically what to do with this log import events, to be very frank. Being honest, I didn't use this, and I didn't heard anyone to deal with this. So anything else? Probably that's it for this from this video. If you have any questions and comments, feel free to ask me during the interview session again on Skype. Thanks. Take care.